Hey guys, this is Brevard County, Central Florida. Oh, they just got the electricity back on. What? There's a sheriff going by. The electricity was off. Now it's on. That's amazing. I can't believe I got it on video. When I started watching it, everything was dark. That's just a glitch or what? But notice the McDonald's sign over here on the right. Look at that. The big M shaking back and forth like crazy. Traffic is up and down. It's right in the middle of a hurricane. It's 4:38 a.m. While they're with an emergency vehicle. So, middle of a hurricane, people running around like crazy. Look like maybe an alien spacecraft came through there like they're subscribed. See ya.